Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Cook and Eat with Tony. So today na ako very late vlog. Pasaylo ako ninyo. Supposed to be ako ni siyang i-upload a couple of days after sa ko ang biyahe from Manila to Cebu via to go MB Masagana. However, something went wrong sa ko phone. So I was not able to upload the videos and the pictures dito sud sa barko. And also, I was supposed to upload ang ako ang vlog sa ako ang mga gikaon dito sa Horizon Cafe ay lahang breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I was about to rate that. So, naay nabilin nga gamayng videos, pictures sa food and sa place. So, pasaylo adyo kay ko ninyo. And I hope na through this short video, may ganyo mo musakay sa ilahakay. Actually, for me, I was satisfied sa ilang service ug sa food. Kamo na'y judge or unsa kung ganahan po mo. Okay, let me just share some random videos and pictures sa kung gikaon dito. Okay? Muna ang Suits Horizon Cafe for business class passengers. Dili mo mga Okay, so now let me share with you a short video clip sa kong breakfast, which was our first meal kay ni larga ang barko early in the morning. So, the first meal na serve was breakfast. So, sa Horizon Cafe, usually for business class and upper class passengers, man siguro. So, you have choices sa Vian. So, during that time, pag breakfast, the choices were chicken embutido and beef tapa. I decided na mag-vlog sud sa room kay maulaw ko mag-vlog dito kay dagan kay tao. So I ordered beef tapa. I don't know what happened. Chicken embutido ang naghatag, but anyway, it's okay. Human error. It's fine. So let's see kung lami ba. I'd like to siguro nakita na mo ani kay ako na ning gi-upload. So please watch a short video about sa kuang gikaon na breakfast dito sa MV Masagana. So, it's chicken embutido, not beef tapa. Okay? Please watch this. This is not the beef tapa na I'm expecting para siya longganisa, scrambled egg and rice. I don't know if mali yung binilagay nila sa akin if this is chicken embutido, basta sabi ko beef tapa. So let's eat. Muna tignan natin kung ano. I don't know if this is chicken embutido. Sabi ko beef tapa. It's embutido, mali yung binigay nila sa akin. It's chicken embutido, hindi beef tapa. So minus 1 point. Chicken embutido. I said beef tapa, but it's okay. But only humans should make mistakes. So in fairness, masarap naman siya. I think mas masarap siya if may sauce. Scrambled egg is creamy. Lagyan natin ng creamer yung kape. Ano ba itong bigas? Mayana. Bigas. So, let's eat. Medyo matigas ang rice. Jar.
I decided na dito na lang sa room kumain kasi mas tahimik at walang tao at may privacy pag nagbablog ako. So this is their first meal na serve, breakfast, at to go masagana. Yung choice ko was beef tapa kaya nagtataka ako bakit chicken embutido. Well, anyway, masarap naman yung chicken embutido nila in fairness.
Maraming rice.
Good morning, calling the attention of our guests on board, Miss. Now at the front desk lobby. Tinatawagan po namin ng pansin ang aming panauhin na kasama ni Ginang. Na kung mangyari po lamang ay magtungo dito sa front desk lobby. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, so there you go. So yun yung breakfast ko. It was okay. Just a bit dry lang talaga yung embutido. I think sana may at least yung ketchup na nasa sachet, sana nagbigay sila ng ganun para hindi siya medyo dry. So yun lang siguro sa akin yung nagkamali sila ibigay yung tamang order ko, which was beef tapa. But overall, it was good, complete breakfast. My chicken, my meat, tapos my egg, rice was enough for me, and my free coffee. Okay, let's go to lunch. So lunchtime, it was served from 11 o'clock to 1 p.m. and I think if I could remember it correctly, my two choices of viands kami sa Horizon Cafe. It's not Horizon Diner, I'm sorry for that. That was Horizon Cafe. Beef afritada and, if I'm not mistaken, chicken curry. So I opted for beef afritada kasi naman hindi tayo palaging nag-beef. So I opted for beef afritada. Tapos meron yatang veggies, if I'm not mistaken, parang chop suey. And then parang may mushroom soup on the side and orange juice and rice. So let me share with you a picture and a short video na kinain ko for lunch. Overall, masarap yung beef afritada. Very small serving lang. At saka may dessert pa, yung very tiny or bite-sized na brownies. Masarap siya. In fairness, masarap talaga yung brownies. Kaya lang, parang bitin kasi maliit lang talaga, ganun. Bite-sized lang. But overall, it was very filling. Sorry, medyo napapausa ako kasi may sore throat ako. But overall, it was very filling. Worth it talaga yung lunch. Yung beef, malambot siya, in fairness. So, here's a short video clip and a picture of my lunch dun sa MV Masagana. So, ito po yung lunch ko. That's beef afritada on the side. Tapos may vegetable. That's chop suey. And then mushroom soup. And rice and orange juice po. That's my lunch. Okay, so let's have our last meal, which is dinner. So dinner for them, I think that was served 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. And we have two choices na naman. We have fish fillet and chicken teriyaki. So I chose chicken teriyaki, and I think on the side was parang mixed veggies, and then for the soup was egg drop soup and iced tea. So panoorin niyo po to.
So this is my dinner. So we have here chicken teriyaki and mixed veggies on the side, and then egg drop soup, and may iced tea din sila. Sarap yung dinner nila, in fairness.
I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa short vlog ko. So, yun yung breakfast ko, lunch, and dinner sa MV Masagana. Voyage ko no October 30 to November 1. So, what's my rating? 8/10. Why 8/10? First of all, sa service, yung order ko for breakfast was mali. I ordered beef tapa, yung binigay sa akin, chicken embutido. They were nice, they were friendly. I guess busy lang talaga sila on that day. And saka chicken embutido very dry. Sana meron silang ketchup na sachet man lang. At least, may konting sauce. Yun lang. And, what else? Yung servings nila sa proportions ng chicken at saka beef for lunch and dinner medyo maliit. So, sana dagdagan nila yung servings, yung portions of servings. Sa dessert, very tiny, very small bite size na brownies. Pero masarap siya. When it comes to taste, for me, masarap. Malambot yung chicken, malambot yung beef. I have no problem with that. So, I love MV Masagana. This is the second time. Kasi yung first time was from Cebu to Manila and then Manila to Cebu. So, overall, for me, it was good. 8/10 lang talaga yung rating ko sa Horizons Cafe. Horizons Cafe was very cozy, very neat, very clean ang yung ambience, okay? So, I'll be coming back. Gusto ko talaga itong barko na to, MV Masagana. Very clean, very neat, very friendly yung staff, very hospitable. Okay? So, salamat sa lahat ng Lord. Like and share my vlog, Cook and Eat with Tony. Love you guys. You take care. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone.